Harbour Center, 2-bedroom with 2 bathrooms apartment, ready to rent. On the left hand side is utility room, fully equipment. Mirror on the wall. On your left hand side will be the master bedroom. Built-in wardrobes. And on the left hand side will be the ensuite. Coming up the master bedroom, going on the right hand side will be the main bathroom with bath. Opposite side will be the second bedroom. With built-in wardrobes, big mirror. Straight forward, there will be the living room. Brand new furniture, brand new apartment. Going along, you will see the courtyard. Very quiet, nice distance, and then you got a balcony for fresh air. Okay, Harbour Center, main tower, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3rd floor.